Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of October 2023 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of October for all the Capricorn Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Sun controls your 8th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Virgo. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases seen from 8th house, your ups and downs is also seen from 8th house, your in-laws related matter and your unearned money means your joint account with your spouse is also seen from 8th house. So right now your 8th house lord is moving in your 9th house. 9th house deal with your father, teachings of your father seen from 9th house, your elders, your guider, your advisor, your lawyers are seen from 9th house, your second marriage, your religious matter and your religious inclination is also seen from 9th house. Your long distance travel is also seen from 9th house. So right now your 8th house lord is moving in your 9th house. So we can expect in the month of October, you may get a chance to travel somewhere if you are trying to travel somewhere from previous month. So you'll definitely get a chance in the month of October to travel. Also, we can expect you to be take care of your father's health because because 8th house lord is moving in your 9th house and 9th house will be your father and father figures. So you may research about your religious inclination and religious thing in the month of October as well because 8th house also deal with researches and right now your 8th house lord is moving in your 9th house. In 9th house also deal with your higher education means your post-grade education. So if you are in post-grade education right now we can expect positive result regarding your education related matter as well in the month of October. Sun will stay in your 9th house till 17th of October. After 17th of October, Sun will also move to your 10th house in the sign of Libra. So after 17th of October, when your 8th house lord will be in your 10th house, then you need to be take care of your work related matter and your work environment. Some of your co-worker may create some conspiracy and difficulties for you at your workplace because 8th house deal with sudden positive event and sudden negative event as well. And right now moving in your 10th house and Ketu is also moving in your 10th house from last year March 2023. And after 17th of October, Sun will also move to your 10th house, then Mercury after 17th of October on 19th of October Mercury will also move to your 10th house and both the planets Mercury and Mars will be in a combust position from your 8th house lord Sun. So we can expect some disturbing result after 17th of October regarding your work related matter and your work colleagues. So you have to be take care of these matter in the month of October. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Capricorn Ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 6th house and your 9th house. And right now Mercury is moving in your 9th house. Means right now Mercury is moving in its own sign in your 9th house. 6th house deal with your court case, litigation, arguments, fights, your competition, your loans, your daily routine is also seen from 6th house, etc. etc. 9th house, as we discussed previously in third section, 9th house deal with your father, teachings of your father, your elders, your higher education, your travel related matter is also seen from 9th house. So right now your 6th house lord is moving in its own sign in your 9th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your court case litigation related matter in the month of October because 8th house lord is also moving in your 9th house. So we can expect suddenly things will turn into your favor if you have any competition, any court case, any litigation running in the month of October. So we can expect these results. Mercury also controls your 9th house and your 9th house lord is moving in your 9th house but Sun is also moving there. So your 9th house lord is in a combust position but we can expect positive result as we discussed previously in some sections. You may have to get a chance to travel somewhere. You will perform very well in your higher education. Just you need to take care of your father's health because 8th house also deals with sudden events and chronic diseases and right now moving in your father's house in your elder's house. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Capricorn Ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Venus controls your 5th house and your 10th house. And right now Venus is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Leo. Venus just moved from your 7th house to your 8th house on 2nd October 2023. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship is seen from 5th house, your fun activities, your early education means still college life education is seen from 5th house, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance is also seen from 5th house, how smart you are, how genius you are is also seen from 5th house. 10th house, as we discussed previously, 10th house deal with your work environment, your authority in life, your how far you can go in your career is also seen from 10th house, your superiors, your bosses is also seen from 10th house. So right now your 10th house lord and your 5th house lord is moving in your 8th house. So we can expect you will spend positive time with your loved ones if you have love relationship right now, or if you have girlfriend, boyfriend, because your fifth house lord, house of fun lord, is moving in your eighth house. So we can expect good result regarding your fun activities and your love relationship in the month of October. But your 10th house lord is also moving in your eighth house, and eighth house lord will be moving in your 10th house after 17th of October. So that's why we were saying in sun section you may have to be careful regarding your work environment after, especially after 17th of October. You may have to deal with some difficulty due to your coworker, and some of your coworker may create disturbance and conspiracy against you at your workplace in the month of October. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn Ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, moon controls your seventh house, and right now moon is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Gemini. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of October, and on the basis of 6th October we are predicting for whole month, because moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon for every house in single video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet in astrology. Moon gets influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Mars controls your 4th house and your 11th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Libra. 4th house deal with your mother, your homeland is seen from 4th house, your home, physical home where you live is seen from 4th house, your emotions, your emotional state is seen from 4th house, your comfort in life, your peace in life is also seen from 4th house, your properties, your vehicles is also seen from 4th house. 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house. Gains in the form of money or in the form of achievement is also seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes is also seen from 11th house. Your friend circle and your professional life circle is also seen from 11th house. So right now your 11th house lord is moving in your 10th house. As we discussed previously in some section, you need to be take care of your friend circle, professional network circle in the month of October, especially after 17th of October when sun will move to your 10th house, because then Mars, your 11th house lord, will be in a combust position in your 10th house. That's why we were saying some of your co-worker and some of your professional network circle friends may create some disturbance and conspiracy against you at your workplace. So we can expect some disturbing result from Mars in the month of October. But we can also expect you will have some support, because your Ketu is also moving in your 10th house from last year, March 2022. You were facing many difficulties at your workplace from last year, March 2022. And also right now your friend circle lord is moving in your 10th house and will be in a combust position after 17th of October. That's why you need to be take care of your work related matter, especially after 17th of October. Mars also controls your 4th house, and your 4th house lord is sitting in a 10th house and expecting its own sign in your 4th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your home related matter and your property related matter, because Jupiter is also moving in your 4th house. Jupiter considered very well in 4th house. If you are dealing with some property matter and vehicle matter, so we can expect you may get good property and good vehicle in the month of October, because vehicle and home is also seen from 4th house. And right now Jupiter is also moving in your 4th house, and your 4th house lord from 10th house expecting its own house. If you are a politician and if you are taking some part in election and something type of competition, then we can also expect some positive result for you people. Things will turn into your favor, because your lord of competition lord is also moving in your 9th house, and your 4th house lord is right now sitting in your 10th house, and from 10th house expecting its own sign. So we can expect positive result regarding your competition related matter, regarding your politics related matter, regarding your home and vehicles related matter. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn Ascendant people from all the planets in the month of October. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of October. First of all, as we discussed previously, Venus is right now moving in your 8th house, and Venus is just moved from your 7th house to your 8th house on 2nd October in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 10th house, and Mars is just moved from your 9th house to your 10th house on 4 October in the sign of Libra. Third major astrological event is that Sun is right now moving in your 9th house, and Sun will move after 17th of October in your 10th house in the sign of Libra. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 9th house, and Mercury will also move to your 10th house after 19th of October. Fifth and last major astrological event is that you will have solar eclipse in your 9th house in the month of October. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of October 2023 for all the Capricorn Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.